Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to tell you 5 best RTL design best practices. So let's get started. The first RTL design best practice is always partition your designs into small blocks. Partitioning your design into small blocks makes the design easy to implement as well. It also becomes easy to test the complete designs by partitioning it into small blocks. Always use FSM wherever applicable in your partition block. So for example, here we have a top module designs which contains the data path logic, control path logic, CRC engine, decryption and encryption and decryption engine, clock generators and event detection logic. So first, always try to identify the small functionalities which is present in your top level design module, and then you divide all the functionalities into small blocks and then try to implement that. So for example, here the data path logic, try to implement or try to design, try to code the data path logic individually. Likewise, try to code the control path, CRC engine, enable or decryption engine, clock generator logic and event generation or detection logic, and then at top level integrate them all together to basically design your complete system. So this is the RTL design first best practice must follow. The second best practice is always try to use same age triggered flip-flops. Never ever try to mix both rising and falling edge triggered flip-flops in your designs. Mixing rising and falling edge detector flip-flops in your designs makes it harder to basically close the timing of your design. So always try to use the same edge triggered flip-flops. The third best practice is always try to avoid any kind of glitch circuitry in your design. So always remember that glitch problems occurs with combinational circuits. So never drive any critical asynchronous control signals like clock, write enable, etc. directly from the output of the combinational logic. Rather, register the output of the combinational logic and then use it down to the design. Always ensure a stable combinational logic output before it is sampled by the clock. The fourth RTL design best practice is synchronize all asynchronous control signals in your design. You can use, for example, ND flip-flop synchronizer for it. Also, always have a reset synchronizer in your design for external asynchronous reset in order to avoid any kind of metastability occurred due to the asynchronous reset signal in your design. The fifth best RTL design practice is never ever use any tri-state logic in your design. For example, the tri-state buffer. The tri-state logic is actually large in size and also it consumes more power. With using the tri-state logic in your design is the synthesis or the DFT or the STA or the place and route tools do not handle the tri-state logics properly. So always use unidirectional mux logics in your designs, and this is the industry standard best practice to design the RTL. So always use these 5 RTL design best practices wherever you are going to do the RTL coding. So if the video content is valuable for you, please like the video. Also please do subscribe this channel and also enable the notification so that you will not miss the next such video. Thank you.